Welcome to a space where ideas spark curiosity, questions ignite answers, and inspiration transforms lives. This is Mind Alchemy, your destination for unlocking potential in everyday life.
To unlock the full potential of DeepSeek AI, you need one crucial skill: prompt engineering. You might be wondering, what is prompt engineering? Don't worry, it's easier than it sounds. Simply put, it's the skill of crafting clear, specific instructions for AI. The more precise your prompt, the better the output. Think of it like giving directions. The clearer you are, the faster and more accurately you'll get the results you want. Here we are, right inside DeepSeek. In my previous video, I walked you through what DeepSeek is all about and how you can create a free account. If you haven't checked that out yet, I highly recommend watching it first so you can follow along seamlessly. Just head over to that video, set up your account, and then jump back here to dive into the next steps. Now let's get started. Imagine you're an educator crafting an introduction for a post about AI in academia. How would you engage with DeepSeek to assist you in this task? All you need to do is provide a simple prompt, such as, write a post about AI in education. Since the prompt is broad and lacks focus, the response you'll get will be quite general. See what's happening? The answer keeps generating, long, generic, and not very specific to your needs. That's because AI responds based on the input it receives. When the prompt is vague, the output tends to be too. To get a more precise and engaging response, you need to refine your prompt with specific details. However, if you refine your prompt and ask the AI to write 3 different introductory paragraphs for a blog about how AI is transforming education for teachers, you are providing a much clearer and more specific direction. By doing so, you guide the AI toward generating content that is more relevant, structured, and tailored to your needs. This approach ensures that the response is not only more focused but also aligned with the specific perspective you want to highlight. With a well-defined prompt, you can achieve more precise and valuable results, making the content creation process both efficient and effective. Let's consider a completely different example. Here, we have a dummy dataset representing ad spend and sales figures for the last quarter. Now, let's see how we can leverage DeepSeek to analyze this data, uncover insights, and make data-driven decisions. In this example, we will see the significance of DeepThink feature of DeepSeek for statistical calculations. We will now upload this data to DeepSeek. I want to analyze the correlation between ad spend and sales to understand their relationship better. To do this, my prompt will be, analyze the correlation between ad spend and sales for the last quarter. Now, let's give DeepSeek a moment to process the data. Thanks to its blazing fast speed, the analysis will be ready in no time. Soon, we'll uncover whether higher ad spend is directly driving sales growth or if other factors are influencing the results. DeepSeek is now displaying the step-by-step process for calculating the correlation using Pearson's correlation coefficient. You can visualize how it performs the calculations, providing a structured view of each step involved in determining the correlation. The output reveals the Pearson correlation coefficient between ad spend and sales for the last quarter is approximately 0.5, indicating moderately strong positive correlation. Now, let us carry out the same operation by activating the DeepThink tab and observe the results. By switching to DeepThink, we can apply a different analytical approach or technique to further validate the correlation between ad spend and sales. Let's see how DeepThink processes the data and whether it provides any additional insights or refinements to our initial findings. This will give us a more comprehensive understanding of the relationship between ad spend and sales, helping us make even more informed decisions. Let's give it a moment to process and reveal the results. As shown on the screen, DeepSeek is thoroughly reasoning and carrying out the calculations using the DeepThink feature. You can see how it carefully analyzes the data step by step, applying advanced techniques to validate and refine the initial findings. DeepThink is going beyond basic correlation analysis, considering additional variables or potential nuances in the data to ensure accuracy. This deeper level of reasoning can uncover hidden patterns or provide more robust insights, offering a more refined interpretation of the relationship between ad spend and sales. Let's wait for the final results as DeepThink brings its comprehensive analysis to life. The final steps are now getting calculated. A clear and concise step-by-step calculation is carried out by DeepThink, ensuring transparency in the analysis. Through this structured approach, DeepThink ensures that each step is logically reasoned and that the final result is both accurate and reliable. This time, the Pearson correlation value is 0.98, which is significantly different from the previous value of 0.5, even though the same dataset was used. While the initial calculation provided a basic overview, DeepThink applied deeper reasoning and more sophisticated methods to reveal a stronger and more accurate correlation. DeepSeek offers the advanced capability of describing images with remarkable precision. Let's explore how it works in action. Consider this example. Here we have an image of a few pages from a science chapter for grade 10 students. As a science teacher, I need to quickly create a test paper for my students worth 20 marks to assess their knowledge. Now, I'll upload the image of those pages to DeepSeek and provide my prompt for analysis. The prompt reads, "You are a science teacher for grade 10. Create a test paper for standard 10 students from the attached document." Now, let's hit the arrow button and let DeepSeek generate the test paper based on the content from the image. As shown on your screen, the generation of the test paper has initiated almost instantly. DeepSeek is quickly analyzing the content from the attached document and formulating relevant questions that align with the grade 10 curriculum. This fast and efficient process ensures that you can create high-quality assessments in no time without any hassle. Now, let's create the grading rubrics for the question paper to ensure it can be evaluated with precision. The prompt reads, "Provide answer keys and evaluation rubrics for the above question paper." The answer keys and grading rubrics will define how each question should be assessed, setting clear criteria for awarding marks based on student responses. DeepSeek breaks down the scoring for each section, taking into account factors like accuracy, clarity, and depth of understanding. This structured approach ensures consistency in grading and helps provide valuable feedback to students on their performance. This time, let's try with a prompt for a management professor. Here is an image of a few pages from a marketing book for management students. As a management professor, I need to set a test paper for my students worth 20 marks to assess their understanding of the material. I will now upload the image of those pages to DeepSeek and provide my prompt for generating the question paper. The prompt reads, "You are a marketing management professor for a management institution. Create a question paper for management students from the attached document for a 20 marks class test." Hit the arrow now. DeepSeek is now generating the question paper based on the content provided in the document. Once it finishes creating the test paper, DeepSeek will also provide the answer keys by recalling the requirements from the previous prompt. This ensures that both the questions and their corresponding answers are aligned with the material in the document, making it easy to evaluate students accurately. The entire process is streamlined, saving time and ensuring that the assessment is both comprehensive and precise. Finally, we'll experiment with a PDF document. Here are the first few pages of a computer science book for engineering students. Let us upload the PDF document here in DeepSeek. Our prompt reads, you are a computer science professor for an engineering college. Create a question paper for first-year engineering students from the attached document for a 20 marks class test. Hit the arrow button. DeepSeek has started generating the question paper on your screen, carefully curating questions based on the uploaded document. Within moments, a structured 20-mark test paper appears, covering key concepts and ensuring a balanced assessment for your students. But that's not all. The question paper is followed by answer keys and evaluation rubrics, providing a complete assessment package. The answer keys ensure quick and accurate grading, while the evaluation rubrics help maintain consistency in scoring. Go ahead and try with different prompts to generate customized question papers, assignments, or even detailed study guides. Experiment with various subjects, difficulty levels, and assessment formats to see how AI models like DeepSeek can streamline your workflow. Whether it's multiple choice questions, conceptual problems, or essay-based evaluations, the possibilities are endless.
If you found this tutorial helpful, like this video, subscribe for more AI tips, and share it with a friend. Check the description for links to our Udemy course for automating your daily tasks with generative AI, and I'll see you in the next video.